The following segment is paid for by Health Express Medical Center.
Well, it is officially that time of year again. Las Vegas is heading back to school. And along with back to school come, playgrounds, sports practices. Sometimes there can be some minor scuffs or injuries involved. And that's why it's good to know a local health center that you can visit when you're under the gun. That's why Linda Sasso joins us right now from Health Express Medical Center. We're so happy to have her back on the show. She is, of course, their marketing coordinator. Linda, how are you?
Oh, I'm so great. How are you?
I'm super good. And I love this conversation because listen, stitches happen, injuries happen. I mean, we are going to be back in sports practice pretty soon. You need to know where to go and you need to know where to go quick. And that's where Health Express comes in.
Yeah, that's right. So it's all about preparing the family for that healthy and safe return to school. There's going to be lots of sports and activities happening. Health Express actually has 2 locations now in the Valley, which makes it super convenient for patients to book an appointment and go into their local Health Express Medical Center. We have a location in Spring Valley now, as well as Henderson.
Yes, and I've been to your Henderson location. I went in for a last minute COVID test. That's something you offer as well. On the topic of school, though, some people might need a physical. Maybe it's for participating in a soccer league or whatnot, and you offer those.
We do. It's surprising, but we've already had several sports physical appointments already made weeks ahead of the school season starting, and we anticipate a lot more coming in the next few weeks. So if you have a child in sports or they're even thinking about joining, now's the time to book that appointment for a sports physical. It's one easy box to check amongst all the other prep that has to take place during the first few weeks of school.
Well, and I think the convenience that Health Express offers, I know because I found it very convenient to visit you when I had my COVID test. The convenience you offer is going to make parents want to book with someone like you for this physical. How much does a physical cost these days?
Yeah, so convenience from a cost perspective as well as like time in and out. So for us, we offer sports physicals at Health Express for only $60 cash pay, which is very competitive, and an affordable cash pay price for families for these sports physicals.
That's tremendous. I mentioned my test I had with you, but can we just go through some of the other services you offer? By the way, you have a primary care physician available to those who come.
Yeah, we are a primary care and urgent care facility. So you come in, you get your sports physical for your kid, and maybe there's a minor scuff or stitches that are needed. We can offer that through our urgent care services, but we also offer primary care with our providers. So when you're booking that sports physical, for example, don't forget about yourself. Moms and dads need some annual physical exams as well. And those are the kinds of routine exams and screenings that we offer at Health Express. So we do routine blood work right in the clinic, which is super convenient. You don't have to go somewhere else for it. And we have age appropriate screenings, women's wellness exams. So it's really a one-stop shop in terms of primary care and urgent care needs.
Really, you can bring the whole family in, and each person can get seen for their different need, and it's quick. A lot of things come down to price. So do you accept insurance? And I heard you mention before you definitely accept cash as well.
We do, yeah. We have a long list of insurance that we take. So Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, Health Plan of Nevada, Sierra Health and Life, Cigna, Aetna, UMR, you name it. It's probably on the list. So you can check out our website for the full list of insurance that we take. And again, for those that don't have insurance, we have $100 cash pay to see a provider. So again, very competitive for those that don't have insurance.
Yeah, that is super reasonable. That's excellent. For people that want to book an appointment, should they also go to that website you just listed, or can we call one of your 2 locations?
Oh, either way that works for you. So very easy to book online on our website, but you can also call either location and we can book that appointment for you, either in Spring Valley or in Henderson.
Yeah, you are very conveniently located for sure. I needed a COVID test and I needed it within like 12 hours. And I tell you, I had interviewed you here on the show. So I had your number in my phone and I went straight there, no messing around. Sometimes we find ourselves in those emergency situations. So thank you so much for joining us again today and talking about this back to school time. I think it's a great resource for parents out there.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. And again, the website and phone numbers are very easy to just go ahead and book an appointment or just call for more information if there's any questions or concerns.
Certainly, Linda. Thank you so much, guys. Health Express, 2 locations now in Las Vegas and growing.